Damage to the sole of sandals or shoes is something normal. This kind of problem can happen because the sandals have been used for too long, or maybe the material used to make them is of lower quality. So, if you have sandals or shoes with soles that are starting to come off, don't rush to throw them away or buy new ones. That will only increase your expenses. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to repair sandals or shoes with loose soles, using simple materials that are easy to find. Alright, let's get straight into the video, and you can try it yourself at home. Prepare materials that are easy to find around the house, such as styrofoam. Cut the styrofoam into smaller pieces to make it easier to use. Which country are you watching this video from? Write it in the comments to let me know. It's such a pleasure to meet each other from all around the world. Next, prepare a container. You can use any type of container. Place the pieces of styrofoam you prepared earlier into the container. Then, take WD-40 and spray it directly onto the styrofoam inside. WD-40 consists of several main components, including aliphatic hydrocarbons, foil-based solvents, mineral oil as a lubricant, and carbon dioxide used as a propellant in the can. The aliphatic hydrocarbons are the key element, as they can dissolve polystyrene, the main material of styrofoam. Once sprayed, the styrofoam will gradually dissolve and turn into a thick paste-like mixture. This mixture can then be used as a strong adhesive material. In addition to using WD-40, you can also use other types of solvents. For example, gasoline, acetone, or thinner. These liquids contain chemical compounds that can easily dissolve styrofoam. Take a look at the texture. The dissolved styrofoam has now turned into a thick, glue-like paste. Next, prepare one more ingredient that is easy to find at home: baking soda. Add the baking soda into the mixture, then stir it well until everything blends together. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, NaCO3, has alkaline properties and a fine granular texture. When combined with the thick styrofoam paste, it helps strengthen the bond, turning the mixture into a much stronger adhesive. After stirring, you'll notice the mixture slightly expands due to the properties of baking soda, and it turns into a sticky paste. Make sure the texture is thick enough like this so it's easier to apply. Don't make it too runny, as it will be harder to use. Also, prepare only the amount you need, because this mixture cannot be stored for a long time. Then, take the sandal you want to repair. First, clean the area that will be covered with glue. After that, apply the homemade glue to the open part of the sole. You can use a small stick, a spatula, or any other tool to spread it. Make sure to apply the glue on both sides so the result will be stronger and more durable. By simply mixing WD-40, small pieces of styrofoam, and a bit of baking soda, you can create a super strong glue that not many people know about. This mixture turns into a thick paste with incredible adhesive power, making it very practical to use. The result? Loose sandal soles can stick back firmly, almost like brand new. A simple method, budget-friendly, yet the results are truly satisfying. After you've applied glue to the entire sandal sole, press both sides together firmly. Keep in mind, the glue will not bond instantly. It needs a few hours to fully react and achieve maximum strength. To get the best result, you can use tape to hold the layers tightly in place and prevent the sole from opening again. Alternatively, you can use clamps or place a weight on the edge of the sandal to keep it pressed. Once secured, Let it sit for about 15 hours until the glue completely dries. The result will be a strong and durable bond on your sandal sole. After leaving it for 15 hours, let's take a look at the result. I will carefully remove the tape one by one. When you try this yourself, be more careful so the glue doesn't overflow to the outer surface. On this sandal I repaired, the glue spilled out because of the tape pressure, which pushed the excess glue to the edges and dried on the outside. Before we tidy it up, let's take a look at the result. The sandal sole is now bonded very strongly. Even when I try to force it open, it's really difficult. This proves that the adhesive power of this glue is truly impressive, making it perfect for repairing loose sandal soles. To clean it, you can use a small knife or a cutter, since this glue hardens very strongly. To prevent this from happening, it's better to apply the glue neatly and avoid using too much. If the glue has already spilled out, simply scrape it off with a cutter. As the final step, you can also add some coloring that matches the sandal sole to make the repair look neat and seamless. Look at the final result. It's neat, and the sandal sole is firmly bonded. This method can be used not only to repair sandals or shoes, but also for fixing various household items. This homemade glue is truly multifunctional. You can use it to patch a leaking bucket, repair cracked roof tiles, fix broken pipes, and much more. From simple materials that are easy to find, we can actually create a versatile glue that's very useful in our daily lives. With this method, you don't need to buy new sandal glue or even replace broken household items, because all of them can be repaired by yourself. This proves that with a bit of knowledge and a touch of creativity, we can come up with ideas that are truly beneficial, like this multipurpose glue, which is rarely known but incredibly helpful in many situations. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community, because we'll continue sharing many creative ideas. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to press the like button and share it with your friends and family. Who knows, this simple idea might be useful for them in the future. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next creative video.